This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 43 of Building Optimus Prime. We're continuing with the shoulder, building up the joint. The next issue, we're going to be attaching it to the torso, so that's always good. Fassbinder, Codemaster stuff, Prime's Armada, yeah, lots of guns and stuff, I think. What that's about. The Stunticons, recall them. Operation Combination, not sure what they are either. I don't like them. Nothing special about those. They're just generic, tiny little car and plane sort of things. Not worried about those. So the left shoulder, that's what we're really here for. We're building up the articulated rotating shoulder joint. Putting a couple of decorative pieces on. A couple of bits of glue required in this one, so I shall be doing that in a moment. And then, like, not halfway done. When we've done an arm, I reckon we'll be more than halfway done. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so from last time, we've got all of this that we've been building and assembling. We're starting on this part. We've got a metal tube that's going to take the brunt of all of this. We've got a plastic piece to put over the top of that. Now, this plastic piece does matter which way round it goes, but this bit doesn't. So at the moment, it doesn't matter which way round that goes. By the looks of it, that goes on there like so. It'll only go on one of two ways, so that's that. Into there, we drop the plastic gearing piece, like so. And then this bit goes on the outside, like that. But that bit is glued in place. So let's get a touch of my Gorilla Super Glue. Just to put it around the edge there. So I'm just going to put a couple of little dots around there. Keep that out because we'll be using that in a minute as well. And that will go on there like that. So that's now not going to be going anywhere. It will if I stick it to my fingers though. Don't stick it to your fingers. Try that again. Glue's still there and still working, so that down and make sure it stays pushed down. Right, I'm going to put that aside for a couple of minutes just to make sure that sets before we do the next step. Okay, while we make sure that's set, I'll be preparing the next bit. So we've got a screw to hold that in place in a minute. That's the bit that needs gluing back in place again. We've got another screw and a washer, which is going to hold this bit onto there. Washer on the bolt. So that should now be set on there. Spring will go in there as well. And then that will go onto that post. This is the bit where that bit needs to be the right way around because it only sort of locks in place one way by the looks of it. We'll get that on there. Go all the way through there. There we go. You can feel that sort of locating. Actually, that bit's going to be free to go on there wherever, so don't need to worry too much about that at the moment. Let's get that bolt and screw through there. And into there. That's going to be fun. Right, let's see how I'm going to do that. That glue did not hold. Let's try that again. Okay, that was a little bit fiddly getting the screw in there. So I've done that now. That's all on there. The glue is attached. That bit is loose on there, but I'm sure that's going to be attached to other things on the inside there. So that's okay. That does clicky rotate, so it holds in place quite securely. Happy with that. Next up, we've got some decorative pieces. We've got that's going to go on there with a single screw. Screw through there. The easy way of doing it, I think, or easier than the other way. We'll get the screw through plastic bit and then into that top bit. Like that. That tightened up in a bit. And then the other bit that needs gluing is this bit onto there. So let's add glue to these two indentations. It's going to be a fairly tight fit anyway, but it says to glue it, so no reason why not. That goes onto this outside piece here. A bit like that. Get that lined up. Come on. There. See it. Can't see it clearly enough to line it up. Let me grab my magnification. And throw a little bit more light on it. There we go. Much more like it. I did have it pushed on there without the glue and it was fine. Now, for some reason, quite lining up. There we go. So there we have that. Get that bit tightened up and then we are done for another issue. As I say, next time, I believe it's at the end of the shoulder and we're going to be attaching this to the torso that we've already built up. That's going to be quite interestingly done. I can't even tell you which way round it goes. I would assume this is the front and this is the arm and that's going to attach to the shoulder piece. But I could be completely wrong. But we'll find out very, very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye for now.